Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the BCM module, body control module on Jeep Grand Cherokee that generation. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After checking fuses and relays, we'll explain what else you need to do if you have problems with it. After that, if you guys need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. BCM body control module fuses relays come to show you where you can expect to find them. We'll demonstrate on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee guys from 2011 to 2022. What we guys need to do first, we need to open the hood, and facing the engine here on the left side, that's the passenger side, you see that's a fuse box here. You see these two tabs, press them and lift that cover up, and the moment you guys do that, you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 model, and this is 2011 to 2013. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here is for the BCM for 2014 to 22. First we'll cover, you need to check 3 different fuses. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number F10, right here, then F12. These 2 fuses, we have one more that you need to check. You wonder where it's located, that's F14. You see, all of them are green fuses. Those are the main body control module fuses. Now, if you have a 2011 to 13, there is very limited information. So we couldn't find almost anything about it, but check all your JK's fuses. They're super easy to see if they're burnt or not, but always test them as well, guys, because sometimes it could be misleading. If you still have problems with the BCM, now that's a tricky thing here, guys. If you had something that went out, burned module, anything like that, let's say blower, motor, fan resistor, headlight, all those things are controlled by the BCM. Now, in order for the BCM to work correctly again, on many Jeeps, what you have to do, you need to get a scanner that can access every computer system, every computer module in your car, and you may have up to 30, 40 of them easily. You need to get to the BCM and reset it. If you don't know what scanner to use, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. We use the MK808 and it's amazing. But by resetting the BCM, you can often clear faults, you can often make it work correctly again. So always reset the modules after repairs, because that could be the one thing that actually preventing you from fixing your vehicle. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JK's, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.